Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce customer service response time with Freshdesk step by step clearly. To reduce customer service response time with Freshdesk, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin tab located in the left sidebar of your dashboard. In the admin section, select ticket fields to customize how you manage customer inquiries. Add or adjust ticket fields to gather essential information from customers right from the start. This will help your team prioritize and respond to tickets more efficiently. Next, go to the Automations tab found in the Admin section. Create a new automation rule that assigns tickets to specific agents based on designated criteria. This ensures that inquiries are directed to the right person, minimizing delays. Now, set up canned responses for common questions or issues your customers face. Canned responses allow your agents to reply quickly without having to type the same information repeatedly. To further streamline processes, enable ticket prioritization under the General settings in the Admin section. This allows you to categorize tickets by urgency, ensuring critical issues are handled first. Consider integrating your Freshdesk with other tools your team uses, such as CRM systems or chat applications. Integrations can facilitate smoother communication and faster resolution of customer queries. Next, utilize the Reports feature to monitor ticket response times and identify patterns. Analyzing data helps in making informed decisions on where improvements are necessary. Encourage your team to collaborate using the Notes feature on each ticket. This helps share insights and updates, reducing the time spent on resolving complex issues. Regularly train your agents on using Freshdesk efficiently and keeping up with best practices. Investing time in training can significantly speed up response times. Lastly, assess and adjust your processes based on customer feedback and ticket resolution times periodically. Continuous improvement is key to reducing response times effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.